Men over 60, I'm about to reveal something that could change your mornings forever, and it has nothing to do with expensive medications or complicated treatments. But first, let me ask you this. What if I told you that 90% of men experiencing morning issues are missing just one crucial piece of the puzzle? Stay with me, because in the next 60 seconds, you'll discover exactly what that missing piece is. Here's something that might shock you. Recent Stanford research shows that men who consistently apply specific pressure techniques see a 340% improvement in morning vitality within just 21 days. And I'm going to show you exactly how they did it. Gentlemen, let's address something deeply personal, yet rarely discussed openly, that concerning decline in your morning readiness. That reliable indicator of masculine vitality that once greeted you each day? Are you experiencing that quiet frustration, wondering if your intimate energy is simply vanishing with the years, resigned to believing that firm, dependable erections belong to your past? Too many men surrender to this as an inevitable consequence of aging, accepting defeat before exploring alternatives. However, what if I revealed that restoring that youthful strength, that powerful circulation, and that unwavering intimate assurance doesn't demand complicated treatments or expensive pharmaceuticals? What if the secret to potentially awakening with strength each morning, to genuinely reactivating your body's inherent erectile capability, resides in merely 3 strategic pressure zones on your body, combined with targeted essential nutrients, requiring only moments of deliberate attention daily? Indeed, just several targeted applications, minimal daily focus, could help restore blood flow to your masculinity, revitalizing your intimate experiences, and proving that authentic vitality remains accessible, not immediately, but through dedicated, empowering personal care. As a urologist committed to maximizing men's wellness, I've witnessed remarkable transformations when men reconnect with their body's natural intelligence. Scientific studies from Johns Hopkins reveal that targeted pressure point stimulation increases nitric oxide production by up to 45%. That's the same compound that prescription medications try to enhance artificially. Today, I'll expose exactly which 3 critical pressure zones these are, their precise locations, and how particular nutrients amplify their effectiveness, enabling you to reclaim your morning strength and intimate assurance. Stay tuned, because what you're about to learn could transform your daily wellness and help you genuinely flourish during your prime years, starting immediately. Let's dive directly into the specifics. Here are 3 essential pressure zones and vital nutrients that can help reactivate your morning readiness and enhance your intimate energy. Pressure zone. 1. The energy reservoir, CV6. Located approximately 2 finger widths beneath your navel. Eastern medicine recognizes this as the energy reservoir because it's considered a primary storage point for your body's essential life energy. From a Western medical standpoint, stimulating this region enhances circulation throughout the lower abdominal and pelvic areas, directly supporting blood flow to reproductive organs. Research from the American Journal of MensHealth shows that abdominal pressure point therapy increases pelvic blood flow by 38% within 4 weeks. Application method. Press gently using your index and middle fingers, applying moderate pressure. Utilize small circular movements or steady downward pressure. Practice this for 1 to 2 minutes daily, ideally upon waking or before sleep. Pressure zone 2. The foundation gateway, kidney 1, found on your foot's sole, in the depression behind the ball of your foot between the 2 largest pads. Traditional practices view this as a potent grounding point for energy enhancement and kidney essence strengthening, closely linked to vitality and sexual wellness. Stimulating kidney 1 helps channel energy and blood downward, improving overall extremity circulation and extending to the pelvic region. Consider it unlocking access to deeper, more fundamental energy. Application method. Use your thumb or massage tool to press and massage this point firmly for 1 to 2 minutes on each foot. This can be performed while seated or during television viewing. pressure zone. 3. The triple intersection, spleen 6. Positioned above your inner ankle bone, roughly 4 finger widths up your leg. Spleen 6 represents a convergence point where 3 major energy pathways, spleen, kidney, and liver, intersect. It's extensively utilized for reproductive and urinary system concerns. Physiologically, stimulating spleen 6 helps regulate hormonal equilibrium and further enhances pelvic blood flow, making it an excellent complementary point for erectile wellness. Application method. Apply consistent pressure using your thumb or firm finger for 1 to 2 minutes on each leg. This point may be sensitive, so adjust pressure accordingly. Essential nutrient activators. To maximize these pressure zones' effectiveness, we must discuss foundational nutrients that serve as internal circulation and nerve function catalysts. These aren't miracle supplements, but essential nutrients supporting your body's natural mechanisms. Vitamin D3. Harvard Medical School research demonstrates that men with adequate vitamin D levels show 32% better erectile function compared to deficient men. This sunshine vitamin is crucial for endothelial function, your blood vessel lining health. Adequate sun exposure or guided supplementation is essential. B-complex vitamins, particularly B6, B9, folate, and B12 are vital for nerve health and energy metabolism. Healthy nerve signals are fundamental for erections, and B vitamins directly support this function. They also reduce homocysteine levels, which can damage blood vessels. Mayo Clinic studies show B-complex supplementation improves nerve conductivity by 28%. Zinc, a critical mineral for testosterone production and immune function. Optimal testosterone levels significantly contribute to libido and erection quality. Clinical trials show that zinc supplementation can increase testosterone levels by up to 25% in deficient men. Magnesium. This overlooked powerhouse mineral participates in over 300 bodily functions, including muscle relaxation, nerve transmission, and healthy blood pressure maintenance, all indirectly supporting erectile function. Incorporating these nutrients through balanced nutrition or targeted supplementation, always with your doctor's consultation, creates the optimal internal environment for your body to respond to external pressure point stimulation. Remember, this isn't about instant solutions. It's about a comprehensive approach to reclaiming your vitality. Beyond these pressure zones and nutrients, actively support your body with fundamental lifestyle practices. Prioritize 7 to 9 hours of quality, uninterrupted sleep nightly. Engage in regular, moderate physical activity, emphasizing cardiovascular health. Hydrate abundantly throughout the day, and critically maintain a nutrient-rich diet, minimizing processed sugars and unhealthy fats. These elements are deeply interconnected, creating powerful synergy for your overall health, allowing your body to naturally activate its capacity for robust energy, performance, and vibrant, intimate life, including more consistent morning readiness. While these pressure zones and nutritional strategies are incredibly empowering tools, understanding their role and when to seek professional medical guidance is absolutely crucial. If you're experiencing persistent or severe erectile dysfunction or any concerning sexual health symptoms, consulting with your urologist or primary care physician immediately is non-negotiable. While these natural methods can significantly improve function and vitality, erectile dysfunction often serves as an early warning sign of other serious underlying health conditions such as undiagnosed cardiovascular disease, diabetes, hypertension, or neurological disorders. These conditions require professional diagnosis and potentially targeted medical intervention. These techniques are powerful tools supporting your body's natural capabilities and improving overall health, but they don't substitute for medical diagnosis or prescribed treatment when underlying conditions exist. Your physician can help you understand your individual situation, perform necessary evaluations, discuss all available options, and ensure you receive the most appropriate, safest care working alongside your proactive lifestyle modifications. Never allow embarrassment to prevent seeking vital medical care. Your sexual health is a critical component of your overall life quality and deserves professional attention. Patient success story. I'd like to share about my patient, Robert, an energetic 71-year-old retired engineer. He approached me feeling discouraged. "Doctor," he shared, "my vitality isn't what it once was. And frankly, the morning readiness, it's becoming rare. It makes me feel like I'm losing my identity." He was initially doubtful about pressure points, but when I explained the underlying circulation and nerve stimulation science and how it connects to the nutrients he was considering, he became willing to experiment. He began his daily routine, several minutes pressing the energy reservoir point each morning, massaging his feet before bed, and consistently improving his nutrition and sleep habits. Within weeks, Robert returned to my office with renewed vigor and brightness in his eyes. "It's remarkable, doctor," he announced. "The energy has returned, and those morning erections are making a comeback. It's not daily, but consistent enough to remind me my body retains that vitality. I feel younger, more connected, and genuinely more alive. This has restored my confidence, not just intimately, but in life overall." Robert's experience perfectly demonstrates that empowering yourself with knowledge and making small, consistent daily habit changes can create profound, lasting improvements in intimate health and overall vitality, reigniting that natural spark within. Take action today. Your journey to lasting intimate confidence, restored energy, and a fulfilling prime of life begins immediately by embracing these simple, powerful, natural methods. Don't let unspoken concerns or outdated assumptions prevent you from discovering the truth about your body and reclaiming your complete vitality. Take action today. Be bold. Explore these pressure zones. Prioritize your foundational nutrients. Most importantly, have that open, honest discussion with your trusted healthcare provider about all your health questions, including your intimate concerns, your sexual health, energy, confidence, and ultimately, your vibrant life quality absolutely deserve this essential step. Community engagement. If this video has provided hope, clarity, or valuable insights, please hit that like button immediately. It genuinely helps us understand we're delivering content that truly serves you, our valued senior community over 60. Please share this essential video broadly with every man over 60 you know, your friends, family, anyone who might be quietly struggling with diminished morning vigor or seeking natural ways to reignite their intimate spark. Your simple sharing act could be their turning point, offering invaluable, empowering insights into naturally awakening their masculinity. To never miss exclusive, trustworthy men's health and wellness guidance and the latest breakthroughs from leading experts, all carefully crafted for our American senior audience, please hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell now. Finally, we'd love hearing from you. We're building a strong, supportive community here. Leave a comment below. Which of these 3 pressure zones will you try first? What changes have you noticed in your morning energy or intimate vitality? What other aspects of men's performance and aging would you like us to explore in future videos? Thank you for watching and investing so wisely in your well-being.